Hello there, folks.
Welcome to Advisory. I hope you guys are all doing well. Don't be thrown off by my cozy appearance. I am filming this on Pajama Day. Today in Advisory, we are going to take a minute in the middle of all of the homecoming festivities to focus in on academics, on our schoolwork. We need to take this moment to make sure that our grades are where we want them to be because the end of the grading period is just around the corner. So next weekend, we have a 5-day weekend for our fall break. I mean, that's just great. That's just wonderful. We love that. But we have a few things to do before we get there. This is us here today on the 1st of October. Happy October. And then we have 5 school days after today before the end of the first grading period, which happens while we're on fall break. So it's a lot of stuff happening right now with homecoming and then a shortened week next week. So it's important to take a moment and take stock of where your grades are at and how you can finish this quarter strong. So we're going to have some time for you to finish up some work in Advisory today and another day next week. But before you get to whatever you need to complete, I want you to think about these 3 questions. You can write them down on paper somewhere, or you can go to this digital document at the bit.ly and answer them in that Google Doc. But the 3 questions are: which grade or grades are you most proud of and why? Number 2, which class or classes have been the most difficult for you to keep up with? And for each class, I want you to write a specific reason why you think it has been difficult. And then since we have exactly 1 calendar week before the end of the grading period, what exactly do you need to do over the next 7 days in order to make sure your grades are where you want them before the end of the grading period? Maybe you need to go to tutoring. Maybe you need to make up some assignments. Whatever it is, I want you to think carefully about what those things are. And then once you have finished this reflection, use the rest of the time in Advisory to do one of those things that you listed, to check it off your list. But that is all from me for now. I want to give you as much time as possible. Be good to yourself and others, and I'll see you real soon.